All right, welcome. Hope you're having a great day. This is 4.3, ordered pair solutions. We're going to do 4.3 right now, so ordered pair solutions. So we want to learn about function notation, continue on with that from last time. We learn how to use function notation to determine if an ordered pair is a solution. Right, so we have examples right here. So an auto mechanic charges $50 per hour for labor and says it costs $320 per an hour. After repairs have been done, he says that he worked 5 hours on your car and charges a total price of $620. So they give you the function here. So this is your equation of how it works, with X being the number of hours worked. Do you pay him? Okay, so what we want to do is figure out, since he worked 5 hours, we just figure out F of 5, right? So we want to figure out what is F of 5. And that's how we got here. So we substitute our 5. Remember, this is x equals 5. So that just tells us what our x value is. So this one's x equals 5. And we substitute that into our function. 50 times 5, 250, plus 320 is $570. So 5 hours should cost $570. Right? And you look at what he charged. So he charges you a total price of $620. Does that make sense? No. It should cost 570, but he's charging you 620, right? So he's charging you $50 more than what it is. So this is unfair. You're getting overcharged. So what if he worked 10 hours and charged $870? We'll use our function again. So f of x equals 50h. And we use our function notation from last time, right? So what if you work 10 hours? So we want to find what is f of 10, right? So f of 10 for 10 hours. So we're going to find f of 10 because that's our x value, 10 hours. So we're going to substitute 10 into our function. So 50, I like to put parentheses here. All you got to do is substitute 10 for x. And then we do our PEMDAS, so parentheses, exponent multiplication, 50 times 100, 500 plus $320, which is $820. Right, so 10 hours, 10 hours should cost $820, right? But we look at what's charged. So we charged $870. Is this fair? Right? It should cost $820, but he charged us $870. Is this fair? No, it's not. Right? So this is no. Right? You're being charged $50 more. You're getting $50 more, right? Complain. Tell them no. 10 hours should be $820. Why is it 870, right? So question that. So is this fair? Okay, what if you work 7 hours and got charged $620? So we want to find what is f of 7 now for 7 hours. Right, so we're still using our function. So f of x equals 50x plus 320. So is this fair? Right, so we want to find f of 7. So 50 parentheses plus 320. So our x value is now 7. And we figure out, is this fair, right? 50 times 7, 350, plus 320 is $670. Okay, what does that mean? Right, so 7 hours should cost $670, but you're being charged $620. Is this fair? You charge less. Is it fair? It depends who you ask, right? It's fair for you. So to say from your perspective, yes, it's fair for you. Right? You're being charged $50 less. because it should cost 670, but it's charging you 620. So that's fair for you. Maybe not for him, but for you, yes. Yeah, so definition of an ordered pair. That's what we're going to do today. Right, so we can see it doesn't match. So we're just going to replace f of x with y, substitute the x value into the function. Does it result in the y value given? Does it result in it? Is it true? Yes or no? So that's what we're looking at. So yes, ordered pair is a solution. If it's not, not a solution. Yes, let's go to our examples. So is -3 comma -22 a solution to this function? Right? Is it going to cost the same? Is it correct? Okay, so remember this is our x and our y value. So first thing, we're going to replace our y, or f of x, with y. So here we have our function. Right, we're going to replace our f of x with y. So we have y equals 4x minus 10, because f of x and y are interchangeable. Let's replace f of x and y. Right, replace it with y. And then now we have our values, right? Because our -22 is our y value, so we can just put that in there. We got 4, and we know our x value is -3, right? -3. 2. So now we're going to see, is the left side equal to the right side? So the left side is -22. Let's see what the right side comes out to be. This is -12 minus 10. You subtract those, you get -22. So that is true. Right? So -22 is equal to -22. So you're asking, is this equal? Right? So is it equal? And this one is yes. Yes. So it is a solution. So yes, it is a solution. Came out to be correct. Okay, so we're just replacing f of x with y. Is it equal? Let's do our calculation. Is it equal? Yes. Solution. If it's no, not a solution. Okay, 7, 1. Okay. We have our x and we have our y. So we're given 2x minus 3y equals 12. So x and y, we have those already in there, so we have to replace the f of x. So 2 minus 3 equals 12, right? So it's in the middle. And then our x value is 7 from here, right? So x value is 7, so we put that right there. Y value is 1, so we put it in for our y. 2 times 7, 14, minus 3 times 1, 3. 14 times 3, 11. That does not equal 12. Right, so we ask, is it equal? No. Right, so this is a no. So not equal, so no, not a solution. Right, so we're just looking at, is the left equal to the right? That's all we're asking. We substituted our numbers in there. Okay, so number 5. So is -2 a solution? So f of x equals this long thing. Let's rewrite that. So f of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 6. Remember, we're going to replace f of x with y, so we just put that in there. Right here, and then we're going to put down the middle. Our y value is 2, so we just put 2 for y. And our x value, I'm just going to write all my parentheses, so it's a little bit easier. So when we put in our x value, which is -2, -2, -2. And we'll see, is this equal? All right, that's the question mark. Is it equal? So left side is 2, that was done. The right side, we do our exponent first, right? -2 squared. -2 times -2 is +4, plus 6 times -2 plus 6. Then we do our multiplication. So we got 4 6 times negative 2 is negative 12 plus 6. 4 minus 12, negative 8 plus 2, which is negative 6. Okay. 4 plus 6 plus 6, which is negative 2. Okay, so we see 2, 2, 2. These are not equal 2, right? So these are not equal, so not a solution. So no, not a solution. Okay, number 6. We have x, y, and we have our equation, right? Y minus 5 equals 3, parentheses x plus 4. So all we're doing is replacing our y value with negative 3 right there. Minus 5, 3. Our x value is 8. We put in 8. And we're going to see, is this equal, right? Is the left equal to the right? So on the left side, we have negative 8. On the right side, we have 3. 8 plus 4 in the parentheses is 12, which is 36. And negative 8 is not 36. It's way off, right? So no. No. So no, not a solution. Right? So all you're doing for these ones, substitute your x and a y into your function or equation, and you see, is the left equal to the right? If it is, solution. If not, it's not a solution.